be showing you guys how to apply a fresh press-on set to your natural nails. I'm also going to be showing you how to clean up your natural nails. The nipping part is optional. In Florida, we are allowed to nip cuticles. I don't have a lot of cuticle to nip today, so let's get into it. Orange wood stick that comes with your set, we're going to go ahead and push back the cuticles. Go ahead and push back your cuticles and on all 10 nails. Trying to remove as much skin from the nail as you can, especially your side walls. Taking my favorite nipper, I'm going to clip some of the cuticle to clean up my nails a bit. And remove all the shine from all of your nails. Using this motion, you want to rough up your nail as much as you can. The file grit on this is not too rough, so it will not damage your natural nail. This is just called etching your nail. For any enhancement you do getting your nails done, you always do some type of etching before applying any product. Make sure that when you do this, you're covering all areas of the nail. You do not want to see any shine. So see how this is very shiny and flat? You want it to look rough. And remove all the shine. Start by adding some adhesive to your nail about 1/3 of the way down. The way that I like to apply mine is by tipping it back and pressing it down. This will reduce any air bubbles in there and keep your nail on much longer, so every part of your nail is covered in glue. Hold for 10 seconds. And voila, nail. Then you can go ahead and do the same thing for all rest of your nails. I'm going to add some cuticle oil around the edges of each nail. Press-on stand out from other brands is the strength and the shape of these are beautiful and strong. They have a nice arch when you look at it from the side, like any regular extension would have. I hope this tutorial helped you guys with applying your nails. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them below in the comments section. Be sure to check out my website, nailsbydev.com, nails with a Z. It's in the description below. I drop random one-time drops of different nail designs and sets, and I also take custom orders, so copy yours today. I also posted a video on how to remove your press-on nails without damaging them, and you can use them again and without damaging your natural nail as well. So be sure to check that out.